62 years, we've looked at movies, we've celebrated them, we've been a part of. So going is, like I said, in the bloodstreams of most people. This year too, we will be celebrating the magic of the movies in the South. We're yet to, so we will be announcing a date shortly. We have about more than 350 films in contention in the 4 different languages. So the juries are going completely crazy and ballistic, watching movies and all of that. And we need your constant support and encouragement. As for Venkatesh sir, what can I say? I met him almost 15 years ago, when he was doing a film with Ravina Tandon, and Anu will bear me out on that. It was a Hyderabad schedule, and I think at the D. Ramanaidu Studios. So it's been Venkatesh is actually family, because according to him, whether he wins an award or he's such a sportsman, he unfailingly, if he's in the country, he turns up to the Filmfare function, and I mean, I don't mean to praise him so much, but one has seen a lot of stars, and I think with every successive movie of his, he becomes a little more humbler and much more nicer. So thank you, sir. It's a huge honor to have you with us. And I hope, like you have supported us in the past, this year too, you will support the latest installment of the Filmfare Awards. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon to everyone. As Jitesh said, this is our first year of association with Filmfare is coming together. Filmfare has entertained India for almost 60 years, and Britannia has given Indians delightful products for almost a century. So it's 2 big institutions coming together. As we all know, films and food are 2 passions of Indians, so that makes the association even more unique. What we have done to celebrate this association is mounted a large-scale consumer promotion, which is called Britannia Ticket to Filmfare. It's a unique promotion because it gives Britannia consumers an opportunity to go and see the event live. And that's something that general people don't get to do. So it's a rare opportunity where general people can come, Britannia consumers can come and see mega stars under one roof, which is, as I said, a rare opportunity. We're getting a very, very positive response. It's an overwhelming response that we're getting to the promotion, and with the announcement of nominations perhaps today, the interest will go up further. So I'm really looking forward to this association, and thank you, everyone.
Venkatesh to share a few words with us.
Good afternoon. It's a real pleasure to be everybody in Filmfare goes a long way. Right from the beginning of my career, they've always encouraged my films, and I was always looking forward for the Filmfare Award functions. And I think they've been nice enough to select most of my films, nominated me many a time, and I think already won 5 awards. So some of my sincere, honest films like Dharma Chakram and Ganesh and Kalsundamra, a lot of those films have I got my Filmfare Awards, and I cherish those moments because it was wonderful being with the whole film fraternity of the South. So it was one of the early associations where everybody from the South Indian film industry participated and made the ceremony a real big success. So I'm really glad this time Britannia is associated themselves with Filmfare, and they're doing a wonderful job in promoting this time in Chennai, I think, in a very big way. So I wish the next Filmfare Awards in Chennai to be a very big success. And I thank you all for coming here today, and let's have a great next year. Thank you.
What is the challenge when you approach a film like Drishyam?
Well, Drishyam was a real tough choice for me. After a long time, I got a very interesting film, and playing father of 2 children, and shedding the image of the earlier mass image or the family image. This was a very mature line, and I think I took the right step, and I'm really glad the audience really received the film so well, and well, it finally shows that the audience are looking for a movie where they can get involved in. There has to be some novelty, some freshness, and I think I gave this movie at the right time, and now let's see what new subjects I keep getting. Yeah.
Members of the press, floor is open.
Ritesh, sir, what are your expectations this time, for the Filmfare Awards? How many awards you will get and your friends?
No, I just go to the film fair because I enjoy being in the company of all my friends, and I don't think I might be there. I'll be out of the country this time, but I'm sure. I don't know who I've nominated, but somebody who really deserves it will surely get it. Yeah.
What awards means to you?
I think it's very important for every actor because once the film is released and the audience have accepted the film, when everybody, it's not only the reward, but when an award comes in, especially from a jury which studies the film and enjoys the film, and a lot of encouragement for the actor in his early career. Of course, once you start winning many awards, you look forward for something else more than that. But it's a real nice feeling, and you have all your friends watching the film again and encouraging you to do better films. So I think it's fundamentally it's very, very encouraging to everybody.
Do you want to nominate anyone for the Best Actor or Actress Award this year from your side?
I don't know the nominations.
From your side, personally point of view.
Last year, if I have the list of films, maybe I can. I didn't get to see the list. I'm sorry.
It's a personal point of view, your personal point of view, nominations.
Obviously, he'll vote for himself.
I've not seen. Okay, it's me out here in Drishyam, and then you have Sharwan for Ranraja, Nag for Manam, Mohan Babu for Rowdy, Allu Arjun, Race Gurram. Well, I've seen Race Gurram and Manam. I think both of them deserve it, yeah. So it depends on the jury. Yeah, both have done a wonderful job. Nag has done a wonderful job in Manam, and Allu has done a wonderful job, yeah. Well, I've seen these. Yeah, they've done a nice job.
Venki, this is Sushil from the Times of India.
Hi, Sushil.
Hi. I'd
Long
like to
time.
ask you, yeah.
You've been missing for long. Even I've
Yeah.
been missing.
Thank you. I'd like to ask you, there is so much of criticism about the bloodshed scene on Telugu cinema, and they say that there's too much of violence in South Indian films in general and Telugu films in particular. Do you think the industry needs to change in some way so that they wouldn't show so much of violence?
Oh, there's no doubt we have to change. Forget about violence. I think the kind of scripts which are coming, we are repeating the same stuff, but there's no doubt there is room for a lot of improvement. For new scripts in Telugu film industry. But like I always keep saying, I'm a guy who's pretty optimistic. It'll happen slowly. Sometime you'll find a new bunch of new creative directors who can come up with something new. It's not that the present ones are not good, but I think they have their own pressure in trying to come up with scripts which are running pretty well in the box office. So it's a tough call for all of them, but let's hope we get a lot of new scripts. Yeah.
Thank you.
So now you're cool.
I'm not even looking for the awards now. Now I'm enjoying my work. Just in fact, I'm like a spectator to myself now, right? After Drishyam and Gopala, I have to be mature enough to and wise enough to get a nice subject. And also, I have been a little lying low. After my father's death, I think I needed some time for myself, spending some time with my family. So I think in the month of July and August, I think I should announce 2 films. A couple of scripts are getting ready. So, but it has to be a good one. I think the audience, you can't test the intelligence of the youth by giving something very, very. Because over the years, I've repeated a lot of films and I've done so many of the scripts. I can't attempt the same thing again. I think the audience will not forgive me if I do the standard, regular, run-of-the-mill script. Yeah.
There's a lot of trend of historical and mythological movies up there in South. So were you offered any of those or any specific role and you denied it, or maybe you were interested and was not offered?
No, I was not offered at all anything, but I look forward to doing something.
You look forward to doing
Yeah, if
one.
this.
What kind of role you like, a king or a soldier or
No,
what
I
kind
think
of-
the director should imagine something, and if he creates something, I'm there, ready to play anything.
Question to Mr. Ali. Yeah, tell me, like,
Population. Britannia has been there for almost a century and provided best quality products to the Indian consumers. So I think it's two really big institutions coming together and creating that magic. I think it's very difficult for me to pick up one. Of course, I come from Britannia, so Britannia is really close to my heart. But both Britannia and Filmfare are big brands and big institutions in themselves.
పడేటువంటి చిత్రాలు లేకపోతే గొప్ప చిత్రాలు వచ్చే అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి.
వస్తాయండి, అన్నీ వస్తాయి, కొంచెం పేషెంట్గా ఉండాలి, స్లో అండ్ స్టడీ అంటారు కదా. సో తప్పకుండా మంచి స్క్రిప్ట్స్ చేయటానికి చాలామంది వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాం అందరం. బట్ అది ఎప్పుడనేది, బట్ మీరు అనుకోవచ్చు ఇలానే అంటానే ఉంటున్నారు బట్ ఏం రావట్లేదని. బట్ వస్తాయి, తప్పకుండా వస్తాయండి. దేర్ ఇస్ ఆల్వేస్ హోప్ బికాజ్ we've got wonderful actors and technicians in Telugu film industry, very talented, hardworking. So they'll surely bring some wonderful subjects.
Hi, it's like where the actor has to take responsibility for the brand.
Somebody will handle it very well, I hope, and I hope they come to a good conclusion how to go about it. I'm not an expert in that, but let's hope nobody is loses out in this whole incident. Yeah. Well, endorsing thing is has been around for some time, and these kind of incidents, when they happen, the very best, and maybe Rajmouli can look into taking me in part 2 or something like that. Let's see. కాదు, మా గడ్డం పెంచుకోగానే ఎవరెవరు గడ్డం పెంచుకున్నారో అందరూ చూస్తున్నట్టున్నారు. ఆ సినిమాలో అతనిలా లేదు, దానికి కాదు పెంచుకుంది. ఒకటి ఇంట్లో కూర్చుంటున్నాను, రిలాక్స్ అవుతున్నాను, కొంచెం పెంచుకుంటున్నాను, మెడిటేషన్ చేస్తున్నాను, అలా పెంచుకున్నాను. అది చేయట్లేదు, చేయట్లేదు.
All right, we'll now have the last question.
చెప్పాము, దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ అప్ విత్ సమ్ స్క్రిప్ట్స్, బట్ నాట్ టు అవర్ సాటిస్ఫాక్షన్. సో తప్పకుండా చేసేస్తాము.
We hear a lot from other stars that Venkatesh is very spiritually inclined person. He always speaks about all spirit. I mean, many actors told me this. So tell me, like, is it from many years, or are you stressful because of the Tollywood work, or what's your personal opinion about this? Like, as a person, do you see spirituality as a stress buster?
Well, if I start on this, then
At least
you guys will start meditating here itself.
Sure, we would love to actually. We are
No,
also
but to
stressed
make
out.
it short, I mean, this is not the right place to talk about spirituality, but all I can say is I think finally there is a time for everybody to really find your true self, and the knowledge you are not going to get it in the physical world, so you have to go to the spiritual as far as sciences. So that's when you get into that, and I'm sure all of you will sometime get into that knowledge and start discovering yourself.
What did you discover about yourself?
When I won my first Filmfare Award, and ఇప్పటికి nearly 5 Filmfare Awards వచ్చినాయి, and చాలా మంచి సినిమాలకి నా అవార్డ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. గణేష్ కానీ, జయం మందిరే, కల్సుందారా, బ్రహ్మపుత్రుడు, ఐ థింక్ ధర్మచక్రం. సో ముందు నుంచి వాళ్ళు చాలా మంచి ఫిల్మ్స్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసి మంచి అవార్డ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో అండ్ ద బెస్ట్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ Filmfare is they get all the everybody from the South Indian film industry, and అందరూ ఒకే వేదిక మీద ఉండటం, అందరు కలిసి మంచి సినిమాల గురించి మాట్లాడటం, వాళ్ళ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ గురించి చెప్పడం. సో బేసిక్లీ ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ నైస్ టు బీ at the Filmfare Awards. Thank you.
Thank you so much.